Hey guys, Jason here with Enginetech. Just want to say thank you again for a wonderful year this year in 2022. Wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.
On behalf of the entire Enginetech team, we want to wish you a happy holidays and a very prosperous new year.
From everyone here at Enginetech, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
From everybody here at Enginetech, happy holidays and have a wonderful 2023.
Hello guys, Sergio here from Enginetech to wish you happy holidays from the Enginetech family and thank you for your business.
Buenas, de parte de Enginetech, quiero desearles una feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo. Y esperemos que el 2023 sea un año mejor. Gracias.
Hi, I'm Darius with Enginetech. Thank you for your trust and send a holiday cheer to you and your family.
For everyone here at Enginetech, happy holidays and a happy New Year's.
Happy holidays from all of us at Enginetech.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays from Enginetech!